Why? This is not my planet. Joy, did you hear that?
Maybe it's a bird.
Birds don't sound like that. What are you? Please don't hurt me. It can talk.
You're an alien.
I think so. I am very far from home.
Joy, Julie, wake up. You have school today.
Mom is coming. Hide him.
Why were you screaming?
I saw a huge spider.
A terrifying spider. It escaped.
Get dressed and come downstairs. Breakfast is ready.
That was close. What's your name? Uri. Uri. That's cute.
Okay, Uri. Until we know why you're here, nobody can know about you.
Nobody? Especially Mom and Dad. And definitely nobody at school. Stop! Dad will hear us. Why does the wall control the sun? It's just a light switch. We need to make you look normal. That might be difficult. We make him look like a baby.
A blue baby?
Mm-hmm.
A very unusual baby.
Not like that.
He looks ridiculous. Stay here. Why? Because humans will panic if they see an alien. Why? Because humans panic about almost everything.
Julie, you're quiet this morning.
I'm just tired.
You looked fine yesterday.
Actually, I don't feel very well.
You don't feel warm.
My stomach hurts.
Maybe you should stay home.
That would probably be safest. What if she gets worse?
Why are both of you acting strange?
What was that?
I found this yellow object. Ugh. That's a banana. You remove this part first. Amazing.
Quiet. Mom almost found you.
Sorry.
Why did I hear something fall?
Joy dropped his books. Yes. All of them.
Did your laundry just sneeze?
That was me.
Both of you are definitely hiding something.
We have to take him with us.
To school?
Would you rather leave him here with Mom?
Good point.
Remember the rules.
Rules.
Don't talk.
Don't remove the hat. What does a baby do? Smile, make little noises, maybe sleep?
Where did that come from?
School project.
Your project is a baby?
It's about responsibility.
That actually sounds useful.
Very educational.
Your planet has flying flowers.
That's a butterfly.
flying flower.
I brought you something.
You remembered. I am becoming human.
You have a long way to go. It's just the school bell.
Your building is screaming.
It does that several times every day. Stay here until we come back.
Stay.
Do not wander around.
I will be invisible.
Uri? We told him not to move.
We have to find him before someone else does.
Alien! There's an alien!
Joy? Julie? Uri? Julie?
Nobody touch him!
He isn't dangerous.
What in the world?
Is this what you were hiding this morning?
Yes. We were afraid you would make him leave.
You hid an alien in our house?
When you say it like that, it sounds bad.
There is no good way to say it.
Uri,
Are you hurt?
no. Are you lost?
My ship broke. I cannot find my family.
He just wants to go home.
Why didn't you tell us?
We thought you'd be scared.
We are surprised. Very surprised.
But that doesn't mean you should hide something this important.
I'm sorry. Joy and Julie helped me.
Then they did one thing right.
And about 20 things very wrong.
Fair.
Come with us. We'll figure this out together. Signal.
What is it? My family. They found you? They are coming.
Does that mean you have to leave?
My home is far away.
You should go back to your family.
Not the screaming building. I'm going to miss you.
I will miss you too.
Okay. I guess aliens hug.
Humans taught me.